Hi, Mr. Kidd. Nice you come in. I'm Joshua Pepnick. I'm the intern who's going to be doing your preliminary testing today. So I'm just going to start off by cleaning my hands here and getting a few of our instruments cleaned off as well. So how are you doing today?
I'm doing really well. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Yeah.
Good. Nice weather today.
Yeah, it is. It's a nice change from the bit of cooler weather that we had.
Yeah.
Right. So we're going to start off with some distance visual acuities here, just see how well you can see at a distance.
Perfect.
So I'll get you to cover up your left eye and just tell me what the lowest line that you can read is there.
TZVECL.
Very good. And then if you switch eyes for me without squinting, what's the lowest line that you can read there?
TZVECL.
Okay, and then with both eyes open, what's the lowest line you can read?
TZVECL.
Very good. So yeah, that's with correction. We got 2020 OD, 2020 OS, 2020 OU. So now I'll give you this guide. Get this light set up here, and for this we're just testing how well you can see up close. So again, I'll get you to cover up your left eye to start. And yeah, do you have any glare on there?
Nope, looks good.
Okay, then just let me know what the lowest line that you can read is.
DLNGYS.
Very good. And then if you switch eyes for me.
DLNGYS.
Okay, and then with both eyes open, what's the lowest line you can read?
DLNGYS.
Very good. So we got 2020 OD, 2020 OS, 2020 OU with correction for near. So now I'll take your glasses from you, and we'll just repeat that test again. Exact same thing.
DLNGYS.
Very good. And switching eyes, what's the lowest line you can read without squinting?
DLNGYS.
Very good. One more time, both eyes open.
DLNGYS.
Very good. So yeah, we got 2020 for all OD, OS, OU, and that's without correction. So yeah, now we'll head back to our distance without our glasses on. Get that light out of your way. So if you want to start off by covering up your left eye again, tell me what the lowest line that you can read is there.
TZVECL.
Very good. Switching eyes without squinting, what's the lowest line you can read?
TZVECL.
Very good. And with both eyes open?
TZVECL.
Very good. So yeah, we got without correction. We got 2020 OD, 2020 OS, and 2020 OU. So yeah, I'll take that spoon from you there, and then we'll check out which eye you prefer to look through here. So for this one, I'm just going to get you which eye you prefer, which one you dominates your vision. So yeah, for this one, I'm just going to get you to make a triangle like this, and just hold it out in front of you so that that V is in the middle of your vision. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to give you your glasses first. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm going to, once again, you just hold that out. I'm going to come in there, just cover up one eye at a time. You just let me know if you can still see that letter up there, okay?
Sounds good. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and if you put them down, do it one more time.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, one more time, down and back up.
Yes. No.
Very good. All right, so you are right eye dominant. Okay, so for this next test, we're going to test just how well you can adjust to looking at something in the distance compared to something up close. So that's all we're going to do here. I'll get this light set up so that it's on our nice close target. I'm going to get you to look at this little O, and then when I tell you, look up at the big R.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep.
Down at the little O, up at the big R, down at the little O, up at the big R, down at the little O, up at the big R, and down at the little O. Very good. So yeah, that's great. That's exactly what we want to see. That's a positive accommodative response for both eyes, OD and OS. All right, so now what we're gonna do is test how well your eyes can move together to look at a target that's coming closer to you.
Okay.
So for this one, I'm gonna get you to look at this little V here. I'm gonna bring it closer to your face. And when that V splits into two, you just let me know. It
Okay.
might not happen. You might be able to move your eyes all the way in, but let me know if it does.
Okay.
All right, that's very good. We're gonna do one more time. So that's great, Mr. Kid. That just means that your eyes are able to move together really well. So that's for our near point of convergence. We got bridge of nose with no recovery. So we're gonna do a very similar test here. So we're gonna test how well that your eye can focus on a target as it moves closer to you. I'm gonna give you this big spoon back, cover up your left eye. Once again, I'm gonna get you to look at this little V. I'm gonna bring it closer, and when it blurs this time, you let me know. Sound good?
Blur.
Okay, and if you blink, can you clear it?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna get you to close your eyes for me. Okay, and then I'll get you to switch eyes. We'll do that again with the other eye.
Blur.
And if you blink, can you clear it?
No.
I'll get you to close your eyes for me again. Okay. Okay, and then with both eyes open, we'll do that one more time.
Blur.
Okay, and if you blink, can you clear it?
No.
Okay, I'll get you to close your eyes again. Okay, that's great. We got 6.5 millimeters for OD. We got 6 millimeters for OS, and we got 5.5 millimeters for OU on that. So yeah, now we're gonna test out your color vision here. So I'll get you to start off by covering your left eye. So I'm gonna hold this right here for you. Is that a good spot, or is there any glare?
It's perfect.
All right, so for this test, all I'm gonna get you to do is tell me which shapes you see, point at them without actually touching the book.
OX. X triangle.
Very good.
Circle. Nothing. Circle X. Circle triangle. X triangle. Triangle circle. Circle. X.
Very good, and then I'll get you to switch eyes, cover up your right eye. And we'll do the same thing here.
X. Circle. Circle triangle. Triangle X. Triangle circle. X circle. Nothing.
Very good. I'll take that from you. So yeah, we got 10 out of 10 for OD, 10 out of 10 for OS, and our method is HRR. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just test your depth perception. So I'll give you these glasses to put on over top of your other glasses. I'm gonna hold this book for you. And we're gonna just do this like you're reading a normal book. You tell me what shapes you see as we move our way down.
Circle, star, nothing. E, square, triangle, plus, nothing.
Very good. And then what do you see in this box here?
R plus L.
Okay, and then starting at number 1, working your way down to number 10, can you tell me which circle pops out of the page at you? Left, middle, or right?
Left, middle, right, middle, left, right, middle, right.
Very good. Take those glasses from you, and I'll take your other glasses as well, actually. got positive RDS with 20 seconds of arc, and our method was Randolph. So now we're going to test out your peripheral vision, just how well you can see things not in your central vision. So I'll get this light right in the middle of us, hand you this guy back, get you to cover up your left eye so that your right eye is open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close my right eye, and I just want you to look right into my left eye, and I'm going to hold up 1, 2, or 4 fingers. I'm going to hold them up in one of these locations. All you need to do is tell me how many fingers you see me holding. Sound good?
Yep. 1, 2, 1, 4.
Very good. So that's full to finger count. And we did that on the right eye, so OD. So I'll take that guy from you. Thank you. And now we're going to check your eye movements here. So I'll get this light on your face so I can see you well. And can you see this light?
Yep.
Okay, so all I need you to do is just follow it with your eyes, keep your head still, and I'm just gonna move it into a few different locations. Yeah, so just follow it with your eyes for me. Very good. So our movement was smooth, accurate, full, and extensive. And did you have any pain during
No.
the test? No pain? How about any double vision?
No.
Okay, that's great. So minus pain, minus diplopia. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure your pupil sizes in the light here. So I'm going to come along beside you here. I might touch the side of your face. Okay, and then I'm going to measure your eyelids as well while I'm here. Okay. So in the light, we have pupil size of 4 millimeters for OD and 4 millimeters for OS. We have a fissure size of 11 millimeters for both eyes. That means we have no ptosis. So what I'm going to do now is just check the rest of your externals. So I'll get you to close your eyes to start off for me. I'm just going to shine this light along your face. Good. And if you open your eyes for me, okay, look in that direction. And in the other direction. Okay, and if you can look up for me. Very good. Everything looks great there. So our shape of our pupil is round for both eyes. Everything looks symmetrical. There's no defects in the lids, lashes, or lacrimal apparatus. Our conjunctiva looks clear in both eyes. Our iris color is green for both eyes. And there's no crusting. So now what I'm going to do is measure your pupil size in the dark here. So yeah, for this one, you just look out ahead at that big R out there. I'll come alongside you. Once again, I'm just going to touch your face and we'll see what size your pupils are here. So we have a pupil size of 5 millimeters in the dark for both eyes. So we don't notice a 2 millimeter difference, but that's probably due to ambient lighting that we have here. So now what we're going to do is check how your pupils respond to light. So I'm going to shine this light in your eyes. Just going to be checking if they constrict, so get smaller like they should. So yeah, I know it's a little uncomfortable, but it'll be quick. Excellent. So we see a very fast response in both eyes. So we have a direct response of 4 for both eyes and a consensual response of 4 for both eyes. So the last thing we're going to do here, we're going to do a very similar thing. I'm going to be shining this light in between your eyes this time. And this is just seeing if your pupils respond abnormal at all to light. So yeah, you can just look ahead where that big R used to be, and I'll come in here and shine this light in your eyes. Very good, Mr. Kidd. That's great. So we see negative APD, nothing abnormal is happening there. So yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you very much for coming in, Mr. Kidd. And I will show this to the camera, and I'll get you your glasses back, and you can be on your way.
Thanks.